You've got manufacturing down to a science. But when it comes to marketing, things feel, well, misaligned. Leads are coming in, but they're not converting. Your website doesn't reflect your capabilities. Your CRM doesn't talk to your other systems. And your team's stuck stitching it all together manually. Historically, manufacturers relied on relationships, trade shows, and word of mouth. O8 helps traditional manufacturers modernize their go-to-market motions without losing what makes them great. That model still works, but only if it's supported by modern digital systems. Today, digital-first competitors are winning deals before you even know there's an opportunity. At O8, we fix the disconnect. We build marketing systems that fit your operation, from integrating with your existing tools to rebuilding your website to engage technical buyers and launching campaigns that generate qualified leads, not just clicks. With roots in UX, web development, and MarTech, O8 brings a high level of technical competence that most agencies simply can't offer. We can handle everything from ERP-integrated web platforms to multilingual SEO for global distributors, ensuring your digital stack supports, not hinders, your business goals. We've helped manufacturers turn complex B2B sales cycles into measurable growth engines. Manufacturing sales cycles can be long, technical, and relationship-driven. Instead of treating this as a problem, we treat it as an opportunity. To architect systems that nurture deals, shorten cycles with smart retargeting and CRO, and give your team visibility into what's actually driving pipeline movement. We handle the full funnel. From awareness to handoff, we track every step. You'll see exactly which campaigns drive results and which don't. We tie everything we do to hard metrics, pipeline contribution, CAC, ROMI, and make sure your finance team has the data and dashboards they need to understand and trust the value of marketing. We've helped OEMs reposition, niche suppliers expand into new markets, and established brands become digital leaders. No guesswork. Just sharp questions, proven frameworks, and a tailored plan that fits your operation. If you're ready to align your marketing with the rest of your operation, let's talk. Book a free consultation, and we'll show you exactly where you can start seeing traction.